In the highly competitive beauty and cosmetics industry, content marketing plays a crucial role in building brand awareness, establishing credibility, and engaging with consumers. With the rise of social media and digital platforms, brands have the opportunity to create and distribute compelling and informative content that resonates with their target audience. In this video, we will explore the importance of content marketing in the beauty and cosmetics industry, discuss strategies for creating engaging content, and provide a real-life example of a successful content marketing campaign. Importance of content marketing in beauty and cosmetics. Building brand awareness and credibility. In the beauty and cosmetics industry, where consumers have countless options to choose from, establishing brand awareness and credibility is essential. Content marketing allows brands to showcase their expertise, share valuable information, and build a loyal customer base. By consistently delivering high-quality content, brands can position themselves as industry leaders and trusted sources of information. Engaging with the target audience. Content marketing provides a platform for brands to engage with their target audience in a meaningful way. Through blog posts, videos, social media posts, and other forms of content, brands can start conversations, address customer concerns, and create a sense of community. Engaging content encourages audience interaction, comments, and shares, thereby increasing brand visibility and reach. Educating consumers about products and trends. The beauty and cosmetics industry is constantly evolving, with new products, trends, and techniques emerging regularly. Content marketing allows brands to educate consumers about their products, explain their benefits, and provide tutorials and tips. By keeping consumers informed and educated, brands can establish themselves as authorities in the industry and foster trust with their audience. Strategies for creating engaging content. Understanding the target audience. To create engaging content, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of the target audience. Conducting market research, analyzing customer data, and creating buyer personas can provide valuable insights into the needs, preferences, and pain points of the target audience. This knowledge can guide the creation of content that resonates with and adds value to the audience. Incorporating visual elements. In the beauty and cosmetics industry, visual appeal is paramount. Incorporating high-quality images, videos, infographics, and other visual elements into content can capture the attention of the audience and make the content more engaging. Visual content allows brands to showcase their products, demonstrate application techniques, and inspire consumers with creative ideas. Providing valuable and informative content. To create engaging content, it is essential to provide value and information to the audience. This can be achieved by sharing expert tips, product reviews, how-to guides, skincare routines, and trend reports. By offering valuable insights and actionable advice, brands can position themselves as helpful resources and maintain the interest and trust of their audience. Encouraging user-generated content. User-generated content is a powerful tool for engaging the audience and building brand loyalty. Encouraging customers to share their experiences, reviews, and testimonials can create a sense of community and authenticity. Brands can incorporate user-generated content into their content strategy by featuring customer stories, hosting contests, and sharing user-generated photos and videos. Leveraging social media platforms. Social media platforms are ideal for distributing and amplifying content in the beauty and cosmetics industry. Brands can leverage platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok to showcase their products, provide tutorials, and engage with the audience. By utilizing social media, brands can reach a wider audience, encourage shares and interactions, and build a community of loyal followers. Real-life example: Glossier's content marketing campaign. Glossier is known for its successful content marketing campaigns that have significantly contributed to its brand awareness and growth. One notable example is their Into the Gloss blog, which serves as a platform for sharing beauty tips, interviews with industry experts, and product recommendations. The blog has become a trusted resource for beauty enthusiasts and has helped establish Glossier as an authority in the industry. Glossier's content marketing strategy focuses on creating relatable and informative content that resonates with their target audience. They regularly publish articles that address common skincare concerns, provide beauty tutorials, and share personal stories from their community. By offering valuable insights and showcasing real life experiences, Glossier has fostered a sense of inclusivity and authenticity, which has been instrumental in building brand loyalty. In addition to their blog, Glossier effectively utilizes social media platforms, particularly Instagram, to engage with their audience. They share visually appealing content, featuring their products and user generated content, and actively respond to comments and messages from their followers. This two-way communication has created a loyal and engaged community around the brand. Glossier's content marketing campaign stands out because it focuses on creating content that resonates with their target audience, provides value, and fosters a sense of community. By consistently delivering high-quality content and leveraging social media platforms, Glossier has successfully built brand awareness, established credibility, and cultivated a dedicated customer base. Conclusion: by creating valuable and informative content, incorporating visual elements, encouraging user-generated content, and leveraging social media platforms, brands can effectively connect with their audience and foster brand loyalty. Glossier's content marketing campaign serves as a prime example of how a beauty brand can successfully engage their audience and build a strong and loyal customer base. Embracing content marketing and implementing the strategies discussed in this video can help beauty and cosmetics brands thrive in a competitive market and create a lasting impact on their target audience.